Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome. My name is Martyn Lucas. I'm the Martyn Lucas Investor. I go live every day up to 10 hours in my studio, and my aim is to be the most honest and real YouTube channel on YouTube. Everything I say here is 100% true, verified. This is my real money, all of my real money. And in fact, only in the last few days, because I used to keep $1,500 in my checking and $1,500 in my savings account, I've now put all of that, other than a couple of $100 on the daily expenses, into my Robinhood account. So you can see every penny I have now. And the reason for that is because the banks, I'm loaning them my money. They're paying me nothing for my money. And Robinhood is now paying 4.4%. It makes every bit of sense to me to leave my money in Robinhood. It is now protected to 1.5 million. It's going up to 2 million FDIC insurance. So why not leave it in there? I've got also a cash card on its way, so I can earn points by spending the money in my uninvested cash anyway to pay the bills. Why not? What's the point of earning nothing in the bank? So old school banks, in my opinion, it's a change in the world, the way things work. So there you go. There is my uninvested cash. You can see on the screen there, 1,037. I haven't placed that anywhere, and I'm not going to, because that's the money I need to pay my bills. That's my checking account, if you like. That has to come back if I need to pay something, all right? That's earning 4.4%. And in time, that'll increase. Okay, now then, here is my Roth IRA. That's looking good as well. That's up to date. And my overall position is 51,353. The highest I've ever been was yesterday at 51,400. So we're $50 off the all-time high right now. Okay, let's bring everybody into the show. If you are here live in the show, you can come on the screen and I will share your comments. Let's get everybody in. Bit of a quiet start this morning. Where is everybody? I've got no live chat. That's unusual. Where's the live chat? Is it working? That's a bit strange. I've never seen that before. We've got 16 in the show and nobody in the live chat. That's I think that's the first time I've ever seen that. That might be an error. We'll find out shortly. I don't know. Okay, I haven't got a single comment to share on the screen. That's kind of weird. All right, let's go through all my positions. The S&P is up this morning, 0.04. Virgin Galactic. Now, we might get a flight today. Oh, there we go. Finally, I was thinking, where are all my comments? There's Mike. There you go. I can put you on the screen now. You've come into the show. Brilliant. Welcome, everybody. Ahmad Maddy, welcome. We've got a guest here. Not one of our members. We've got a guest. So, Ahmad, put your city and country welcome into the channel, and I'm sure everybody will give you a welcome. He's one of our members. This is MSK. Hi, everyone. MSK, tell Ahmad why you should be a member. 95% of our live viewers are members. Highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube when it comes to the statistic live viewers who are members, 95%. And the reason for that is they tell me they get 20 times back what they put in. Silver Surfer, good morning to you. Riyadh, fantastic. What is your native language? Carson with a K is here. Another one of our members. What is your native language, Ahmad? Is it Arabic? Is it Arabic? I think it might be Arabic. Let's. Oh, hang on. What happened there? Opened up Google Translate. Why did it do that? Let me do that again. Let me do that again. There we go. That's better. Let me see if I can do. Let me see if it is Arabic. I don't know. It might be. I'm originally Lebanese. Lebanese. What language? What language is that? Is that? I don't think I have Lebanese. I don't think I can speak in Lebanese. I think it's Arabic. I think it's Arabic. I think. Let me try it. Okay. Welcome to all our friends from Lebanon. All right, let's see if it works. Let's see if he understands what I'm saying. Here we go.
أهلا وسهلا بك إلى جميع أصدقائنا من لبنان.
There you go. Welcome to all our friends from Lebanon.
أهلا وسهلا بك إلى جميع أصدقائنا من لبنان.
There you go. Got there in the end. Okay, he's American now, but originally from Lebanon. Ahmad, you should be a member because it's probably the most honest and respectful community on YouTube. Thank you very much indeed, MSK. We're live up to 10 hours a day for our members, and we're here to help and support. If you're a member, you get many, many perks, including I give you a $500 worth. People pay me $500 for my happy birthday. Videograms, I make one for you for free, live in the show when it's your birthday. 20-minute fundraisers, I promote your YouTube channel if you're a YouTuber. I get everyone to subscribe to you. We have cash giveaways. I make videos for you specifically on stocks that you want. You can run polls in the chat. You can call live into the show. You can send in information to be part of the show. There's so much you get as a member. Let me give you the invitation to become a member, should you wish to do so. We have the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube when it comes to live viewers who are members. There's the invitation. Here is the Discord as well, if you want to access Discord for free. But if you, of course, become a member, then you get extra benefits as well. We've got a huge audience today over on TikTok. Welcome to all of you. All of you on TikTok, we are giving away at the moment a prize in excess of value of $1,000. And I always undersell and over-deliver, as you all know. Okay? The prize is $100 in cash and 15 hours of one-on-one tuition from a trader, an investor who has followed a training program. He's paid for the information. He's done an official training course. He's learned all about candles and charts and technicals, and he's going to provide you one-on-one training and then give you $100 cash to invest with. Completely free. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to give any information. Nothing whatsoever. It's our gift to you. Be very, very careful on TikTok. There are over 100 scammers pretending to be me. They're not me. They don't ever go live. They spell my name incorrectly, and they always message you. I never message anyone. And if you want to be part of our giveaway, it's free to enter, free for all. I want nothing from you, just your company here on YouTube and TikTok and wherever else you may watch me. So if you'd like to be part of it, it's an at least $100 cash prize, and it's also 15 hours of one-on-one tuition as well from our very successful investor and trader. If you like that, the links are on YouTube right now. Links in the profile, youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor, or go to my links page, which is martynlucas.com/links, and you'll see my giveaways up there, and it's free to enter, free for all. Anyway, I've got to get back to my main audience here on YouTube. Okay, so this morning I posted another opportunity for you to take part in the giveaway. If you scroll to the bottom of the giveaway page, this is martynlucas.com/giveaway. Just go to the website, you'll find it all. I've released another opportunity today to earn another 5 tickets plus your daily tickets. If you scroll to the bottom, leave a comment on the Tilray video. There it is. That's worth 5 tickets. If you've not got a tick in that space there, then you haven't entered. So you want a tick. There we go. Will I see opening bell live today? Yes, you will. The bell goes live in 47 minutes or so, and we'll be there live. There we go. So we got a new opportunity this morning. If you want to enter, get some more tickets for our giveaway. There are now 22 ways to enter. Remember, you can win with just 1 ticket. But if you want more chances to win, that is how you can do it. All right. Okay. Good morning, Zach from Africa. Welcome to Zach. Good morning, Mike. Hello, everyone. Good morning, Silver Surfer. Brilliant stuff. Ahmad, originally from Lebanon this morning. We welcomed him in Arabic. This is it in Arabic.
أهلا وسهلا بك إلى جميع أصدقائنا من لبنان.
And don't forget the daily entry. That's right. Don't forget the daily entry. Anyway, let's carry on. S&P plus 0.4. Virgin Galactic up to date. Okay, so yes, we're waiting for it to go back down to 3 again. We might get a flight today. Virgin Orbit down 21. I'm out of that stock now. Rivian up 8.81. Tesla, anything over 195, I want to sell one. Lucid. Ahmad, if you don't know, if I didn't know, I'm actually voted as the World Piano Man. This is my music channel. I sing in 14 different voices with many different languages. And I've done videos here. I've got a video with me with Sir Paul McCartney. I've got videos of me doing Lion King. This is Elton John's jacket here when I won the World Piano Man. Jesus Christ Superstar, Phantom of the Opera, my Las Vegas Showgirls, The Rocket Man, 4th of July Parade. Here are all my videos on my Martyn Lucas music channel. So if you want to go and check that out, there is the music channel. There it is. Hopefully you'll enjoy my music too. Okay, let's back to the trades. Now, last night we covered Tizro, and we bought some at 260, and we're waiting to buy more at 250 on my Roth IRA. Let's scroll down and have a look on the Roth. There we go. It nearly touched 250, but not quite. Good morning, Sensei. Is Sensei in the chat? Yes, good morning, Sensei. How are you? Sensei, this morning's show is going to be a shorter show because I got some special videos coming out that I'm finishing off this morning with Virgin Orbit. I have got an internal email I'm going to share with everybody. Very, very important. Also, I've got some information on the global climate from the International Monetary Fund, and I'm excited about the future of the markets. I've also got some information as well with Virgin Galactic as well. 3 very, very important videos coming out this afternoon. Okay. Now then, I just announced that we did. So I want to. So the reason for saying that is I'm going to end the show earlier today. Sensei, to do those, and I'd like to have a conversation with you. So if you're available at the end of the show, you've got lots of things we've got lots of things to talk about, lots of different ideas you're suggesting to me, and I want to talk to you about them. Okay? All right. I'll have some time this morning. I didn't have any time yesterday. Okay. We've just released a new opportunity. Good morning. Music channel, the best part of being here. Bill, thank you so much indeed. Bill loves the music. This is my music channel. Thanks for saying that, Bill. We are just struggling on 3,000 watch hours. Most of you have given up now. It's only Mike and Stephen Lewandowski, I think. Maybe 1 or 2 others, but we're just sitting around that 3,000. I just want to get to 4,000 watch hours so we can do another live concert. We've got our fundraisers we want to do when we get to 10,000 subscribers here. I can't do any of that unless I keep the channel going. Anyway, I thought Tilray wasn't a penny stock. Anything under $5 is a penny stock. Arnold the Palmer. So there we go. 257. We bought at 260 last night. We want to buy more at 250. Okay. Right. Now then, let me see if anyone has gone to the new opportunity this morning on the competition page. We gave you an extra chance for the daily entry, plus leave a comment on the Tilray video. We posted it last night. It's a very short video. It's like a minute long, and it's worth 5 tickets. It's worth 5 tickets. It's a good one. It posted this morning, and there you go. Let me see if anyone has done it. 437 tickets now in the competition, and here we go. Let's update it. 443. There you go. That means one of you this morning has done it, plus the entry for the daily limit, the daily entry. Very good indeed. Sorry, been slacking on it. Carson with a K. We nearly got to, we were growing every day. We're trying to get to 4,000 and we were zooming up 2,500. We were doing 100 watch hours a day. We got to 3,000 and it stopped. But anyway, sorry I've been slacking. Thank you, Carson. Thank you. Thank you very much. As Silver Surfer says, anything under 5 is a penny stock. Hi, everyone. Ali Isles. Your music caused a pump yesterday on BTC. You will know what I mean if you watch my live stream from last night. Please click on each timestamp and watch. Your music caused a pump yesterday on BTC. You will know what I mean if you watch my live stream from last night. Please click on each timestamp and watch 20 to 30 seconds, 2 to 3 minutes, please. Please subscribe. I'm not fully understanding what you're saying there, Sensei. Sometimes texts get taken out of context because sometimes a bit confusing. But anyway, I'm going to speak to you about all these things this morning. All right, short show, and I want to speak to you because I'm a bit confused about a few things you're talking about in a minute. All right, Ali. Didn't mean to say Ali there. I was thinking about something else. Right, here we go. My brain's doing 10 things at once. So the overall portfolio is starting to come up this morning. Roth IRA, all-time highs. And 51,400 is an all-time high. We're $15 away from an all-time high. Very, very exciting. So what are we looking to do this morning? Well, first of all, I don't think we're going to see the big crash everyone's expecting. And I've got information why I think that coming out today from the International Monetary Fund. I don't think it's going to happen. So you need to be in the market, which is why I've never left, why I've never gone anywhere. So I'm fully invested. I don't think I'm going to get any all-time lows and be able to buy any more. Don't think so. I said my portfolio bottomed in December. I will share with you what I mean. I called it in December before anyone. And I mean before anyone, because people were still saying, no, the markets haven't bottomed. Look. I'm up 8.5 by buying defensive stocks, best form of attack. And if we look at the year, look, it's been continually rising. Now, that's just my portfolio, not everyone's portfolio, my portfolio, okay? So I can't speak for everyone and say the bottom's in for you, can I? But the bottom's in for me. That's what I believe. Okay? And so anyway, that's just my thoughts. Looking good. Just $21 away from an all-time high. There we go. Anyway, coming back here, what I'm looking for is a dip in the S&P of something like 4%. Don't think it's going to come. I want to be fully invested on the S&P. So I've got about $1,000 to spend, so I can buy about 3 shares, thereabouts, maybe something like that. Virgin Galactic. I'm going to buy some more today if it goes to 3. Virgin Orbit, I'm done with it. And I've got information of a email that I've got access to coming out later on today. Rivian, I'm only buying it under 9. Tesla, I'm going to sell one today at 190 plus if I can. Lucid, I'll buy at 6. Apple, I'm not buying any more. Not for now anyway. Amazon, I'm only buying at 88. McDonald's, if it drops 10%, don't mean it's going to happen now. The real estate market is hotting up, which is basically what McDonald's is, right? Prices, properties are going up. I think McDonald's has probably, had a bottom. I don't think I'm going to get it lower than my all-time low. But anything, maybe if it drops 8%, 7%, get some kind of discount. Coca-Cola, I'm fully invested for now. J&J, I'm fully invested. I am buying all these companies, though. I've got buy orders at all-time lows if they do drop down. It's already placed. Google, 20% up now. Microsoft, 18% up. I would like some more. Walmart, when it drops 20%, it may not do that. Tesco, down at 7%. That's where I want to buy it. Next Era Energy, I'm fully invested for now, earning good dividends. Enphase, I'd like to get more. On my brokerage account, doesn't really count. It's what's on my Roth IRA with what does count. I'm up 7.5%. Bitcoin today has broke through 30,000. We've just dropped a little bit, but yep, we're through 30,000. Where next? Tilray Brands. I bought at 260. I sold at 275 last night, made a profit, sold it all leading up to the earnings. I said they were going to miss, and they did. That investments cost them a lot of money, and of course, retail investors don't like it. It's mainly a retail investing stock now. A lot of the insiders have sold out. The CEO was questioned last night. Why are so few people who actually on the inside own shares? And he said he would never sell his shares. But of course, Elon Musk said that 3 times. It doesn't mean anything at all. But that's beside the point. I think he had like 1.3 million shares. Well, it wasn't that many, I didn't think, actually. Anyway, whatever it was. Tilray, I bought at 260. I've got a buy order for 250 and 205. That's where I'll buy some more. Not a penny less, not a penny more. Robinhood, I'm up now on it. I'm trying, in my Roth position, I'm trying to buy more at 950. I've been buying every 25 cents down. I buy a bit more. As it hits 950, I'll buy a lot more. Okay, SoFi, I'm out of it, waiting for a dip. We've got all the earnings coming up. When we get all the earnings, all these stocks will dip, present opportunities. I'll pick them all up on earnings. Whether it's before or after, doesn't matter. But at some point, I'll grab it. And if they run away, they run away. I'll move on and try and find another opportunity. Ford up 0.47. Rio Tinto up 2.34. Meta now 215. So there we go. That's the plan for today. Let's read some of these comments. Hi, Arnold. Where is SIC22 today? I'm here, Mike, just doing a bit of reading. That's what I was doing this morning at 6 o'clock this morning. If you have a spare 2 to 3 minutes on the show, just watch the first 30 seconds of each timestamp. Yeah, I need to talk to you about that. I don't know if I can just play videos live in the show. From a production standpoint, from a continuity standpoint, and also for a copyright standpoint. I need to talk to you how we present that. You asked me to play videos. I need to look at that. Better than Barbie stuff, you should. Yeah. Fair comment. He's saying it's better than the Barbie stuff. I just want to do. There's a difference between the Barbie thing, though, and you, Sensei. You are a sponsor, and the way I present it to you, the way I present your information, I do differently than just random stuff like the Barbie thing. Okay, so I just want to get that right. All right, be sure what I'm doing, and so on and so forth. Okay. And what's wrong with Barbie, says Silver Surfer. Andrew, come on. There's no buffering. It's your end. It's your end, Silver Surfer. Sounds like you're developing a false sense of security, Martin. Worth remembering that the drops come when no one thinks they're going to happen. No, I haven't got a false sense of security at all. This is why, 22, I take your point, but it's why, remember, you spoke to me about this, and I've taken this on board, actually. I've got more cash on hand now than I have ever had, ever. And I've got more all-time lows set than I've ever had. I'm buying nothing. I mean, look at, there's $1,000 there. I'm not spending that, however. That's just earning interest. But, however, if we get a 20% drop in the S&P, I will use that $1,000. Of course I will. It's there for that reason. But that's as a final security blanket, right? Look in my Roth IRA. It says I have 1,000 cash. I've actually got 3,000. 2,000 is orders. So I've got more cash on hand. I've got more opportunity to buy bigger dips than I've ever had ever. And we're $20 away from an all-time high. Again, we're breaking records all the time. So the further we push up, the better. But I'm not chasing anything up. I'm taking profits on the way up. I sold yesterday my position in I told Virgin Galactic I made a profit. I sold what was it? What was it last night? What did I sell last night? Tilray last night. I'm taking profits more than ever. So there's no false sense of security. In fact, there's more liquidity, more lower averages, and than ever. So, and more revenue streams, because now I'm stock lending, because I'm not flagged as a pattern day trader anymore. And you can call Robinhood, by the way, and have it removed once, a courtesy once. So I'm earning money on that. I earned 1% yesterday on all my stocks on my Roth and on my brokerage account, which is pushing my account up. I'm also earning 4.4% on my main brokerage account as well. So no, I don't think so. I don't think so. Anyway, let's have a little look. Let's read it. Dra, we've got a guest here today from called Dra. How are you, Dra? Let us know what country are you from. I will welcome you in. We've got some Arabic guests today. Here we go. Welcome to all our friends from Lebanon.
أهلا وسهلا بك إلى جميع أصدقائنا من لبنان.
Ricky Dominic, are you going to put another 1,000 shares on Mullen? No. I said I wouldn't, and I'm not going to. Not at all. I bought the dip, and that's it. Any lower, it's worth zero. No. I made a video yesterday about Mullen's future. Check it out. I should write a Mullen song. Yes, you should. Welcome, Dra and Ricky. Afternoon, Brick Mac. Right, Brick Mark. Apologise. Right. We've just released a new opportunity, the daily challenge at the bottom of the giveaway page. If you've not checked it, I've just released another opportunity for you to win. It's martynlucas.com/giveaway. Here we go. There is the giveaway. I'll post it 3 times so you can see it pop up. There you go. Scroll to the bottom. What do we have? We have leave a comment on the Tilray video. Leave a comment on. So if you've got any of these that doesn't have a tick, that means you're missing out on tickets. All right. Marvelous. The draw will take place live on YouTube on April 28th at 2:30 Central Time. So there you go. Shall we see if we got any more tickets this morning? 443 tickets, now 457. Remember, only one ticket is all you need to win the competition. It's like buying a lottery ticket. There are people all the time who win the lottery with one ticket. Someone said to me, it isn't worth entering because some people are getting lots of tickets. Well, that's because they want to support the show and they also want to increase their chances of winning a prize in excess of $1,000. Why wouldn't you? However, you can win it for just one single ticket, which is free. Okay. I'm in Australia, have recently found you. We did some Australian music the other day on my music channel. You might want to go and check it out. We did Down Under, Men at Work. There is my music channel, and I do. We've done a lot. We did some parties the other day. If you go to the past live streams, we had the Virgin Orbit after party. Here, look. We got 580 views on it. It was really good. We did a special from Australia. We did Men Down Under. Check out my music channel. All right. Okay. Back to the stocks. Sensei, having 2% in cash, you will end up using it all if markets drop 10%. I'm worried what you're going to do in some sort of black swan when things drop 30% in a day and or bleed 50% in a few months. You're worried. Why are you worried? 40% of my brokerage account is the S&P 500, earning dividends, Coca-Cola, J&J, great dividends. So I've got passive income coming in all the time. I've got 4.4% interest on my invested cash. I've got 1% coming in from all my stock lending. I'm trimming off the top wherever possible. And looking at the IMF today, I don't think there's a big crash coming. I don't know. It still could. But if it does, it could be quick and then bounce back up again. So if you don't sell, you've got no margin. What's the worry? Which I don't have. I don't need the money. It's sitting there. Anyway, half an hour to go before the bell goes. Anyway, we shall see. Virgin Galactic's going back up again today. Potential flight today. We shall see. Virgin Orbit. I've got information about Virgin Galactic and Virgin Orbit coming out today. Rivian, Tesla, Lucid. We want to sell Tesla at 195, maybe 200. Sell one. Apple, Amazon, buying at 88, 10% down. I'll buy that. Arrival is down 6.4% this morning. I said it was. I put a video about it. Did you all check it out? Hopefully you did. Google, Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, NextEra Energy, Enphase, Bitcoin, just flat, going sideways. Let me open up the broadcast lounge. I'd like to hear from Sensei and see what his opinion is on this. So if you want to call in, you can. The broadcast lounge is now open. And if we get Privet in the show, come on in. He had a problem saying the magic number. It's not possible to write in the magic number. After adding the three numbers together, I get an error message all the time. Privet, I don't know why that is, because I've got many people who have done it. So it is, I hate to say, but a user error because it is working. I've checked it. If the markets crash, I would rather be holding J&J than TUP. Again, when you talk about the markets crashing, your portfolio is your portfolio. Just because the markets go down, your portfolio might not go anywhere. It depends what you own. It depends, you know, how weighted you are in specific stocks. If you're heavy weighted in stocks which are moving down, then your portfolio will go down. But you might have, whenever there's a crash, there are other stocks that do well. It's not everything goes down all at the same time and everything by the same amount. And again, it depends on your position, right? Let me go into the breakfast bar, see what's being said this morning. Let me have a look. Morning all. Brick Marcus sent in some information here. Virgin Orbit. I am bringing out this information today, but more than this, actually. More than this. Exactly what I said would happen is happening. It's going to be delisted and it's going to come back in a different ticker. Brickmark, Jason Fallon. I come from a land down under. Jason Fallon, yes indeed. There he is. Just talking about you a few moments ago. So thank you for all the information being sent into Discord this morning. Very nice indeed. Okay. Now then. We've got 36 watching, 18 likes. Let's put a minute on the clock. We want to get 30 likes in 1 minute. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. Said chicky, 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 pow, pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please, stand up, say please, stand up. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, Nakamoto. All right, 35 watching right now. Let's get to 30 likes. We've got 18. Real Satoshi, stand up, say chicky, 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 pow, pow. Said chicky, 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 pow, pow. If you smash the like button, it really helps the channel. 1920, thank you very much indeed. Just tap the like button, it shares to more people, we get more people in, we learn more things, we make more money, everybody wins. 21, fantastic, we're going up now. We want to get to 30 if we can. Thank you very much indeed. 22, look at that, look. Absolutely brilliant. Best members in the world. Absolutely brilliant. Okay. Thank you very much. 22, 23. We're at 40 people watching now. Very nice indeed. All right, back to the stocks. Let me have a quick read here. What's up with fresh food, Eric? And what's up with fresh food? Do you know the IMF World Economic Outlook is live now? Yeah, I can't cover it right now, but I can go to IMF cuts 23 world GDP growth outlook to 2.8. Here we go. I'll bring you some information on now. We got 25 minutes to go. Here we go. Let's bring this in for you. Breaking news.
He doesn't think that we're going to see rate increases continue at the same pace, but he also thinks it's not the case that they caused the problems at the banks. Tomorrow we'll get evidence on that, whether or not the problems at the banks are leading to any kind of price problems and what that means for the pace of rate increases ahead, with the CPI halving its rate of increase, but the core barely budging. And it looks like the core on a year-over-year basis, according to economists we spoke to, is actually going to rise. So does this mean the end of Fed tightening after the May meeting? This report probably not going to tell us. The other issue out there, of course, is the credit outlook. And we did see a tightening of credit standards after the bank issues. But does that continue? The senior loan officers survey won't be out until after the Fed meeting, so we don't really know at this point. But as you can see, banks tighten what they call moderately in times of recession, and we saw a big rise already in February, so does it go higher? Do we get tighter? We have not seen a real impact yet in consumer lending. Here's John Williams on that issue. He says we really don't know whether this will happen this time. We haven't seen any clear signs yet of credit conditions tightening, and we don't know how big those effects will be. But Wall Street still worried. They're still pricing in 3 cuts for the rest of the year. And Bloomberg Economics is out this morning with a prediction that we're going to see a recession in the second half of the year. Growth may be slightly positive for 2023 as a whole, but past Fed tightening and depletion of households' excess savings should tip the economy into an investment-led downturn starting in the third quarter. That's Anna Wong and Elizabeth Winger. So the debate between the markets and the Fed continues, John.
There we go. So you can see what's going on with the IMF. We are approaching the bottom. One final push down, but I've got my money on hand. I'm okay. And I think my stocks are defensive. I don't have any fear, but there you go. We'll deal with it when it happens. We're prepared. We're always 2 or 3 moves ahead anyway. That's the way we like to play it. But interesting stuff. Thank you, 22, for that information. Let's keep our eye on a few things. We've got just over 20 minutes to go, 23 minutes to go, in fact. And we're looking at Tilray this morning. We're trying to get down to 250. We bought at 260. If it goes up, that's great. If it goes to 250, I'll buy more. And 205 is my final buy-in. After that, I'm not interested. It's too cheap. It's not going anywhere. J&J. Just hovering around very low volume at the moment, same as Coca-Cola, low volume at the moment, no surprise there. McDonald's, I think I'm going to sneeze. Excuse me. I apologize for that. Right. What's my position now? 51,360. We're just 40 bucks off the all-time high, and we're getting ready. Good morning, Dick Jones. How are you this morning? Hi, everyone. How are you? Lovely to have you here. One of our members. Welcome to you. Eric says, have you smashed a like button lately? Have you smashed a like button lately? It reminds me of a song. Consonzite. Oops. What does consonzite mean? I'm sure that was that a misspelling because you just deleted it. I'm not good today. Oh, hang on a minute. One of our family needs some support. Dick Jones, what's up? I'm not good today. Tell me all about it. What's going on? Dick Jones, what's up? What's going on in your life today? Why are you not good? Always get concerned when I hear stuff like this. Dick Jones, what is up? Talk to me. You are a member. You can call in. The broadcast lounge is open. You can call on to the show. Let me scroll down. I'm in the broadcast lounge now. There's nobody in there. If you want to call in via Discord, you are a member. My gearbox on my motorbike exploded yesterday. Okay. Oh, dear. I'm glad it's nothing more serious then. I always worry that someone is in real pain or something's really upsetting someone, but that's okay. It's not good, but you'll get past it. My gearbox on my motorbike exploded yesterday. Was you riding it at the time? I'm lucky not to get hurt, but my bike is destroyed. Oh, what? So I'm sorry. You were riding it at the time, right? And Gesundheit. Yes, that's what he meant to say. That's, excuse me, right? I think in German. Mullen is up 5%, 0.11 cent. Breaking news from Robinhood. Well, sorry about that, Dick Jones. So what was that like? You were riding along and suddenly the bike exploded. My God, I can't even imagine what that's like. I've ridden bikes all over Britain, Europe, and Ireland, and I can't even imagine. I had a Yamaha Phaser F2 bike, and I can't even imagine what that would be like to ride a bike that explodes. Anyway, come back to us and tell us all about it. We send our thoughts to you, mate. Yes, I was going about 50 mile an hour when it locked up and then exploded. Oh my God, that is so. Yeah, if it locked up, that means the back wheel, because the front wheel is free rolling, of course. It was terrifying. It would be. Oh my God, yes. At 20 mile an hour would be terrifying enough. 50 mile an hour and your back wheel locks up, which would send you into a skid. Of course, you were very good handling to keep the bike upright. I presume you kept it upright. You didn't fall off. Is that right? You kept the bike upright. It would have slid to a halt. My Honda it's a Honda CBR Fireblade. Okay, I've got you. I know what bike that is. Bloody hell! I've never heard of that. That's a very scary thing. No question about it. If your bike locks up like that, sends you into an uncontrolled skid, you did very well to keep the bike upright. I was lucky. I was not going around a bend. Yeah. I'm going to say, if you were entering or exiting a junction. Or anything like that, that would have been, or in between or overtaking maneuver, then you could have been in serious trouble if you were doing an overtaking maneuver, because you'd be at the wrong side of the road, out of your command lane, command position, and facing oncoming traffic, and then sliding uncontrollably. So yeah, you're right. That's quite a big deal. Wow, I'm glad you're okay. I bet my back wheel skidded on a grid on a 50cc twist and got my heart nearly shot out of my chest. Nearly lost my surfboard. Silver, bloody hell. So yeah, we're glad you're okay. That's a big deal. My God. Anyway, Virgin Orbit, Rivian. To top it off, the RSE left me for 13 hours. All night in the rain. So you were stranded. No one came to get you. You were stranded at the side of the road. The RAC left me for 13 hours. All night in the rain. Oh my God. You had no one to call. I'm really sorry. If I'd have been there, I'd have come and got you, mate. I know what it's like to get stuck on a bike. People forget that. We have RAC, which is the Royal Automobile Club, and we have the AA, which is the Automobile Association in the UK, Green Flag, a couple of others, but they're the main ones. And basically, I've broken down in a car. It's fine. You sit in the car, the RAC, the AA come out, and you're all right. Okay, all good. However, if you break down on a bike, and I broke down. I think I broke down once. I wasn't far from home, and the motorbike garage came out and got me, which was great. And if you break down on a bike, you forget how vulnerable you are on a bike, because suddenly you break down, you're sat at the side of the road, and you realise you're not in any shelter. You're in no protection. You can't move. You got this bike you can't push along. You're on a hill or whatever. And it starts to rain, or it's cold, or at the side of the road. It's horrible. So, anyway, yeah, I didn't get home till 8 a.m. Thank you for your support. Right. Come on, everybody. We've got Dick Jones had a stressful night. Can you imagine, first of all, having your bike exploding at 50 mile an hour? It could have killed him, quite honestly. That's very, very dangerous. He managed to control the bike. Very scared. And then all night, he sat on the side of the road, 13 hours in the bloody rain, waiting for the RAC. So let's light up the chat. We are with you. There we go. I want to make Dick Jones smile. You know what? Make someone laugh and smile. It makes them feel so much better. He's feeling like rubbish this morning. So everybody copy and paste. Dick Jones, he's one of the family. We are with you. There you go. I'm the only person doing it. I'll keep doing it until someone else takes over. Come on. I'm the only person doing it. I'm spamming the channel. There you go. Silver Surfer finally joined in. We are with you. Make him smile. Make him see make him see that our channel is blowing up, and it'll make him feel better. And if he feels better, that's a good thing for me. I'm happy about that. Right, Tilray past the 260, 261. There we go. Didn't quite go any lower. Very good. 14 minutes ago before the bell goes. If you've just tuned in, consider subscribing to the channel. Give us a thumbs up. And it really, really helps. Smash the like button. 28 likes, 41 watching. Come on, we could do better than 28 likes. There's 42 watching. Smash the like button. We're with you. Hi, Craig. With you, Dick Jones. There you go. And it's even harder when the motorbike is around 60 pounds and you have to push it. Yeah, I know. It's, yeah, can you imagine? It's great when the bike's going long, lovely, but when it all stops... It's right with you. There you go. There you go. All the members are coming in. We've even got, hey, I tell you what, we've even got Dra right with you, and he's a guest. He's not even a member, and he's sending love to you. There you go. Okay, if you just tuned in, we got our $1,000 value prize giving away. There it is on the screen. We're giving away our best ever giveaway. It's $100 in cash, $1,000 of service, at least $100 in cash. There it is. Go to this channel right now. We've just released another chance for you to get some more free tickets to win. It's free to enter, free for all. Scroll to the bottom, and we've now got another one. Leave a comment on the Tilray video. It's worth 5 tickets. Remember, like the lottery, you can win with 1 free ticket. However, if you do more things, we give you more challenges every day, you've got more chances to win. It's worth over $1,000. Whoa, 496. Excellent. It's going up. There you go. Brilliant. Very, very good indeed. Right. Best ever giveaway we've ever done. I've had a dirt bike. It was a kickstart, and I ran out of gas when I was an hour away from my house. There you go, Flutter Edits. You know what it's like. Dra, I'm a girl, by the way, but still with you. Very nice. Dra, we had no idea. Where are you from? Dra, where are you from? What country are you from, Dra? I'm a girl. We get very few ladies in the channel, so we like to welcome our ladies in. Let's welcome Dra. Very rare we get a lady in our channel. We have about 5 or 6, not very many. 95% of our viewers are men. So, Dra, where are you from? What part of the world are you from? Tilray, 258. 10 minutes ago, overall portfolio is coming up. My Roth IRA is coming up. I'm $9 away from an all-time high. 51,400 is my all-time high. $10 away from an all-time high. All right, there you go. Yay, ladies. Let's see if Dra says where she's from. Where she's from. Okay, that'd be nice to know. So, what are we looking to do today? We're looking to buy the S&P. We're looking for Virgin Galactic to go to 3. What else are we looking to do? We are Virgin Orbit. We're not buying it. I've got a good reason why. Rivian, we're looking to buy it at 9. Tesla, we're looking to sell one. Take a profit. We're looking to sell one at 190. Think she said Australia. Australia. Oh, yes. That's right. I was speaking to her earlier. Sorry if I... Jason Fallon's from Australia, a fellow Aussie. There you go. Thanks, everyone. Welcome, welcome. That's really great. We got Jason Fallon. It's from Australia. We are looking to do an Australian special soon. It's because most women leave the finances to the men. Am I wrong? Draw, do you like stocks? Sensei Crypto says. I'm in Perth. There we go. I did a tour of Australia once with a cruise line, and I did a couple of private weddings in Australia, different parts of Australia. All right, we're looking to buy some more of Amazon at 88. McDonald's, we want to buy some at 10% drop. J&J, I've got an order for 160. Google, I want to buy at 15% drop. Microsoft, I'm not buying any more at the moment. Walmart, I'm buying at 20% down. Enphase Energy, I'm buying at 10% down. Bitcoin, I'm only buying at 15,000. That's my moon bag, if you like. Tilray, we bought it at 260. I sold it last night at 274. My Roth position, not my main position. I scalped it, sold all of it, bar one share. I bought it all back at 260, which is where we are now. I've got more to buy down at 250, and I've got more to buy at 205. That's my position there. Looking to see my son at the opening bell today. Looking to see my son at the opening bell. I'm not quite sure what you mean. What do you mean? We're ringing the bell, but we're not showing the stock market, if that's what you're saying. Are you watching your son? I don't really know what you mean by that. We have to be very careful. Most comments we get on Facebook are scammers, but I'm assuming Inez Jones Harrell is not a scammer, but we don't know. Most on Facebook are, sadly. I do hope you get your bike fixed. My dirt bike at the sale, because the piston didn't have compression in it, and it was only 14, and I was only 14 at the time. Flood edits. Andrew, can you explain why we are 95% men then? Love stock, love Virgin. I've been to Virgin Orbit Space Station. I've worked for Sir Richard Branson on the experiences. I'm going to the Virgin Galactic Space Station. I'm number one in the world when it comes to the search term Virgin Orbit and Virgin Galactic on the search term on YouTube. This is my Virgin Galactic Space Station. There you go. This all turns to the colours of Virgin Galactic and Virgin Orbit when we do special events. So there you go. Welcome to our studio. It's panning back for you. Look. There you go. I'll put the spotlight on. There you go. Look. There you go. Hello. How you doing? All right. Let me turn that out again. Okay, so let's carry on. Back to my main position. Lovely to have you here. Well, you're in the right place with Virgin Galactic. It's what we're all about. Women on the phone to BT sorting out the bills. Dra, very nice. Do you own crypto? Sensei. Virgin Orbit. 7 minutes to go. Rivian. Tesla. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Let's go to my main Roth position. Here we go. Up 11%. Ideal. Ideal. So anything above 190, I want to sell one. Put some money in the bank. And that's all good. Studio looks fab. Thank you very much indeed. Well, if I pump all the smoke, do you want to see it look like Virgin Galactic Space Station? Do you want to see that? All right, here we go. Dra, this is especially for you, the Virgin Galactic colours. I'm going to bring it out. My son will be at the ringing of the bell this morning. Fantastic. Congratulations to you. We're not showing that on the screen though, but I'm sure you're watching it on the TV or wherever you're watching it. Congratulations, Inez. Very nice indeed. Right, we're just going to bring up the Virgin Galactic colours, especially for draw. So look, we've turned on the lights, the Virgin Galactic colours. All we need now is all the special effects. This is especially for draw from Perth in Australia. Okay, you ready? Just give it a few moments for the haze to fill up the studio, especially for you. Okay. Awesome. It looks like our guest on Facebook is a real person. Very, very nice. We do get a lot of scammers, but this looks like a real, genuine person. We'd love you to join us on YouTube. If your son is ringing the bell, you should be here on YouTube with us. YouTube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. Come and join us here on YouTube. Is there a live stream? Silver, gold, and stocks for me, Crag. All right, here comes the haze. This is especially for draw. Okay. The S&P. Tizro. Slowly going back up. Fantastic. Tesla. I have stocks too, Andrew. Lucid. Apple, Amazon, or I'd be watching I have stocks too, Andrew, or I'd be watching BitBoy Crypto. No, you can't be watching that. You can't be watching BitBoy Crypto. What are you on about? This is far better. BitBoy Crypto hasn't got a Virgin Galactic studio, has he? Okay, here comes the haze. You can hear it now. See the red light? In fact, just off camera. Just realised just off camera. I need to go to this camera. There's the red light. See that red light? That's the smoke turned off. That's the smoke turned on. See? And it's warming up. This is what we're doing now is especially for draw. And we've got 3 minutes to go. Here we go. I'm bringing up a special treat as well for... okay, I think we got enough. We should have enough now. There you go, look. That's especially for draw. This is the Virgin Galactic studio, see? There you go. Brilliant. Excellent stuff. This is all real. This is not a green screen. This is all real. There you go. That was especially there for draw. I've got a smile on my face. Thank you very much indeed. I can do better than that. We've got 1.5 minutes to go, so I'll give you a quick clip, just a very quick couple of seconds.
Is there anybody out there?
I wrote this song for Sir Richard Branson and his mum.
Is there anybody out there in the dark?
We've got 1 minute to go.
Is there anybody out there on a star?
This is the Virgin Galactic single.
To travel through space in my rocket ship, through the lights,
50 seconds to
and
go.
the dark, and home. I remember
30 seconds to go.
many years ago it started.
There you go. There's just a little clip for you. Let's go back now to the stocks. That's especially there for draw. Our guest from Perth in Australia. Very rare we get ladies in the show, so I wanted to make the effort. There you go. Just a few seconds to go. 20 seconds to go. Here we go. 15 seconds to go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Showtime. Let's have a little look where we're going this morning. 51,371. My portfolio has hardly moved. Just dropping slightly, but not much. Hardly at all. I've dropped 50 bucks. Just a tiny little bit. Let's go through our positions and see. Can't wait, mate. Started investing near start of the bear market. At least we'll be used to bear market if we get another in the future. Yes, indeed. You only learn from having things difficult. You learn nothing from success. You learn everything from failure because you remember those lessons. And if you can remain here when the times were hard, it'll be easy when things get better. Love it, says Dra. I am still holding 100 VORB. I could sell now and break even. I was hoping for a surprise. There's going to be no good news. It's going to be delisted. I've got the information coming out today. A special email I've got access to, and it's going to be set up under a new ticker. 350. Here we go. Virgin Galactic. We want to buy at 3. Virgin Orbit now 12. Rivian. Tesla. We want to sell it at 190. Lucid going up 0.75. What 0.18? Apple. Let's go back to Tizro. We've got a buy at 250. Will it go that low? Portfolio is going down. Yep, the Roth is going down. We've lost 130 bucks. So we're going down. 4 cents to go to buy Tilray. Robinhood, we've got buy orders everywhere. SoFi going up. IonQ. We've got the earnings coming up for all these. The next earnings, by the way, if you look here on the upcoming live streams on the homepage, is the next earnings is Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson on April 18th. And then we've got Tesla on April 19th. Okay, these are all in order, all in date order for you. Upcoming live streams. We're not going to miss any of the big cap earnings on all the stocks we invest in. Overall portfolio is going down. Let's look for opportunity. We can't buy it. It's too expensive. The Virgin Galactic, nope, it's got to hit 3. Let's go to the Roth position. That's where we're buying it. We want to buy it in at 3. No more than 3. Virgin Orbit, we're not buying that. Rivian, going up 1.6. Tesla, we want to buy it. Thank you very much indeed. You all right? Have a great day, Inez. Join us next time on YouTube. Inez, we would love to talk to you about your son. We'd love to talk to you about your son ringing the bell. Please do come on to YouTube, and we'd love to talk to you about your son and feature him on the channel. Be absolutely brilliant. All right, let me turn all the Virgin Galactic lights out now. Anyway, join us next time here on YouTube. Right, Tesla. We want to sell one in a minute. Go Lucid. 2.86, 2.93. We're watching Lucid very carefully here. 758. Lucid. Yeah, still trending down though. Be careful. Okay, it's running. It's all by itself. Okay, I'd love you to join us. It's youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. I'm live right now. That's where I am now. If you come onto YouTube right now, you can tell us all about your son, and we'd like to hear from you, and would love an interview with you. It'd be fantastic to hear from you about that. All right, 3.49, 3.42. Lucid is pumping right now. Everyone thinks after the bear market we'll go straight into a bull. You forget about the bull run in 2000. We went sideways for 12 years. If we go sideways, gold and crypto may be the sectors on a bull run. 3.49, 831. Bit of a pump this morning. Let's go back to our Tizro. 354. It keeps bouncing off here. Sorry, 252. Keeps bouncing off here. I wanted to buy it at 250. Buy more. I've got a position at 260. I wanted to buy it at 250, but it's not happening yet. Now, today is a shorter show because I've got to talk to Sensei Crypto. I've also got a special video I'm doing on Virgin Galactic. I've also got a special video on Virgin Orbit and the state of the economy with the IMF. So that's all happening this morning. So we've got that to deal with. Here is an update. Whoops-a-daisy, that's not what I want. Here's an update. Where's it gone? Here's an update to our giveaway. We released another opportunity this morning for our giveaway. There you go. There's the giveaway page. If we go over here now, I can tell you that I released another 5 tickets. Scroll to the bottom. There's the daily tickets as well. Plus, leave a comment on the Tilray video. Worth 5 tickets. There you go. Competition is ends on April 28th. 496 tickets now. Let's see if we've gone over 500. Remember, you can win with just 1 ticket. 548. Oh, yeah. Brilliant. Brilliant. So, there you go. If Tilray Brands, here we go. Tilray Brands, 250. 250. Come on. Oh, 1 cent away. 1 cent away. I want it for 250. Ooh, come on, get in. I've got 200 shares at 250. Come on, come on. Yes, 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 yes. It might have to go 1 cent lower for it to go through. Come on. It hit 250. I've got a buy order at 250. Come on. I want 200 shares at 250. Nice. Come on. 1 more cent. It's probably got to go. It's got 1 more cent to go to get it. Because remember, the market makers, you need that micro trade. So like 249.5 is where it will go. So if you want 250, you just put 251, basically. That's how it works. 250. Oh, that's tempting me. Look at that. Come on. 1 more cent. Not sure, mate. I'd tag Martin, but feel free, read it and use in what I'm just reading Silver Surfer. Come on. 250, 250. That'll be frustrating if it pops now. So psychologically, people look at these magic numbers. I normally do 1 cent either side of it, but for some reason I did 250. Which is why I did 205 rather than 2. Oh, you are kidding me. You are kidding me. You are kidding me. I could have trimmed off the top straight away. That can happen. If it goes to $5 now, I'll go, oh, it was 1 cent. In fact, it was less than 1 cent. It was half a cent away. Half a cent away. It would have been nothing at all. Look, if I scroll down, I'll share with you. Look. 205, 200 shares, and at 250, in fact, it's only 100 shares at 250. Anyway, so there you go. It's there. It just hasn't gone through yet. Oh well, that's fine. Stick to your strategy. Never change. Never be affected by... That was so close. I know. I know. Look at it. I could change it. I could do it now. I could do a manual trade for 251, 252. It doesn't matter. But no, stick to your strategy. I don't want to overbuy, overbalance. I want to keep the, Tilray Brands isn't the best stock to own. There's stocks that can make far more money, more securely, with dividends. Tilray Brands is not the only stock on the market. But it's showing some support now at 250, isn't it? 251. Doesn't want to go any lower. Sensei waiting for 250. You're doing the same thing. Everyone's trying to buy it. 1 cent. What difference does it make when it goes to $40? Really, what difference does it make? But you have to have your limits. I've got 260, 250, and 205. If you're just going to change them, then you're being controlled by the market, and that's not what you want to do. Let it run away. Let it go. Because I've got shares anyway. Anyway, we'll come back to that in a minute. Right, Tesla. We want to sell Tesla at 190. I'm out of the stock. Maybe buy in at 2 or 210. So 190 Tesla. That's what I want to buy. J&J 161. I don't think it's going to go there now. McDonald's I want to buy down 10% lower. SoFi I want to buy. No, in fact, I'm not bothered. I'd rather buy. I don't like SoFi anymore because the guy lied. The CEO lied. Well, we're going to get three cuts and all this rubbish. IonQ's a good company. I'm up 97% on one share. That certainly would have been trimming off the top now if I'd held it, but there you go. We've got the earnings reports coming up, so all these stocks are being very volatile now. They're either going up dramatically or down dramatically. I'm just waiting for the opportunity on the earnings, okay? And if it runs away, some will run away, some won't. I'll get some, I won't get others. That's fine. I'm only after the best deals. I'm not just going to buy anything for the sake of it. Right, Robinhood. Yes, down she goes. I've got an order placed at 950. I bought at 10. I bought at 975, and I'm buying at 950. Just keep lowering the averages and increasing all the time. I like it. I want to own it. Tilray Brands 254, 253, 252, 252, 251. 2 more cents. See, there's 250. Hey, it went through. It went through. Okay, there we go. Now we're going down. Right, now we're going down. So I got a few more shares. All right. I got it. Good news. Your orders to buy 100. There we go. I only bought 100. The reason why I only bought 100 because I want to buy 200 at 205. There you go. That's a big enough position right now because it's one for the future. It doesn't pay a dividend. Obviously, it's a growth stock. So that's good enough. The next one will come at 205. Right, we can leave that now. We can forget it. I'm not going to trim it off today. It's going to be another week at least before it pops. 185, 186, Tesla, Rivian. I bet Lucid's going down again. Yeah. Lucid had one of these crazy pops. It's not substantiated by anything. I've got news about that as well, why that's popping. It keeps doing this false. Everyone thinks it's the best car, which it is. And then everyone thinks it's going to go up and start buying into it and then spreading false news on Reddit. I keep reading it. People keep sharing it with me, going, why don't you buy Lucid? It's the best car in the world. I go, yeah. Right. Okay, next. What's the reason for buying it? Well, it's the best car in the world. Is that it? That's your argument. Well, yeah, it's the best car in the world. Okay. Well, you go and buy one then. As in the car, not the shares. Stick to your strategy. Yeah, you. Somehow ended up with shares. Sensei. Right, we're going to close the show in about 15 minutes. Day trade of the day, early show today. I want to talk to Sensei, and I've got some special videos coming out as well, which I want everyone to see. Tesla, Tilray again, 250. All right, it's hovering around there now. 248. Yeah, we're still in the bear market, guys. All right, Robinhood. Okay. $1,000 now available. Let's have a look. How much more? My Roth IRA. I've got 2,778. A bigger drop today. So we're down $130 now from my all-time high. 0.5% overall on my brokerage account. So let's see if we can find anything. The S&P is still too expensive. I've got 41% on my main account, which is great. On my Roth IRA, I've got it's just 14%. So I'm pretty secure on my portfolio right now. 14%. I do want to get my Roth IRA like my main brokerage account. Remember, you do want to have that, especially in a bear market. You do. The dividends alone give me $100 a quarter. Which is an income right there. So that's fantastic. I love that. Anyway, so still too expensive. Virgin Galactic, I'm buying back at 3. Allegedly, potentially, rumoredly, a flight today, but nothing confirmed. Virgin Galactic is up at 1. I'm not buying anything else. I've sold my position. I've got it on my brokerage account. Fine. I've got it there. 13% down. I'm holding that. But my Roth IRA, I'm only buying it at 3, which is the price I kept saying it would go to. I can make money from that. Virgin Orbit, it's now going to be delisted. We know all about that. No point buying it now. Rivian, buy it at 9. The company loses money every time it sells a car. What's the point? My main brokerage account. Tesla, if we can get Tesla to above 190 or 200, I will sell 1. Lucid, came straight back down again. Apple, I'm up 10%, I'm holding that. Amazon, buying at 88. Tilray down 9.8%, 247 now. New all-time low for Tilray, 247. There you go. My next buy now is 205. 205. It's going to be a great quarter. Q4 is going to be great for Tilray. So I do want to acquire some. But again, at this price, I don't need to buy millions. I don't need to risk too much money because at $40 a stock, which is where it could be in a couple of years' time, I don't need to own millions. But 205, I'll buy a bit more and then I'll stop. Then it'll be enough. And then remember, I've always got 4 or 5, at least 2 or 3 moves ahead, like a chess player, right? No point just buying it and reacting. I will sell. Start trimming at $4. So I'll take money off the table. I'll end up owning all 3 shares. That way, I've got no risk anymore. I've got my capital out, and then I can just let the rest ride forever, and at least until full legislation. When that comes, we can reassess the business profitability, look at the balance sheet and see how it's doing at that stage. IonQ is running really, really well. 52% now in a month. IonQ is one for the future. No question about it. Up 97%. But remember, we've got earnings coming up. What we want to do is we want to get it then. Coinbase is up 5.2 to 69.60. Breaking news. IonQ. Canoe. Ford 1.66. That's a good rise for Ford. Martin, can you upload the Virgin song to Amazon so I can ask Alexa? Or is it not that easy? I can actually distribute it. Yeah, it isn't straightforward, but I'll look into it. I do have an album. Has anyone ever checked, by the way? Has anyone ever looked? I do have an album on iTunes, Amazon, Spotify. Has anyone ever looked? If you look below my on my music channel, there's my album. Years and years ago when I had hair. Look, there's my albums and singles. The Martyn Lucas album. There you go. Years and years and years ago. When I had hair. Look at that, look. That was a long time ago. But yeah, I've got an album on iTunes and Apple and so on and so forth. Anyway. Do you think CINE might be worth investing at this price, Martin? Lewis Martin. Lewis, I don't know anything about the stock. If you become a member, I will review it for you live on the show, and I will do a back test for you, compare it to the S&P 500, look at its history, and I will do a full back test review. There's the invitation to become a member. If you'd like to do that, I will make a full review on it, make a video on it for you, and do a back test portfolio to compare it to other stocks. So I can do that. I do that for my members. It's a members perk. That would be cool. Yeah, it would be cool. Thank you, Silver Surfer, for suggesting it. I'll look into that. S&P. Virgin Galactic, 355. Okay, we're enjoying it on my main position. So I've got it on my main position here. And it's rising up. I've got enough. I don't need to buy any more. I'm only buying it at 3. Remember, a monkey can make money. The hard part is to keep it. Loose is up 6.1 now, 8.52. It's running again. It dipped for a moment, then ran again. It's having a nice little pump. I made 100% on Lucid once upon a time. I've already done it. All-time high on Ledger. Let's have a look. Let me go to my Ledger. Zenze talking about his crypto challenge. 1,126. Yes, here's my Ledger. 1,126. Brilliant. Great. Just holding it forever. Just holding my Bitcoin forever. I bought it with that intention of holding it forever. All right. We've also got our Coinbase crypto challenge from Ali here. And we're at 1,168. Remember, only 30% of my 1,000 is invested. So this is great. All-time highs. Look at that. Ali, I have to say, you've done a tremendous job. Here is Ali's Discord link and website. If you want to be part of our crypto challenge, there is the link. I strongly recommend you check this out because Ali has done tremendous work for me and all the members. It's free to enter, free to have a look at his website and Discord. If you want the premium service, you can. He charges for it. There's a fee for it, but he will tell you what crypto to buy, when to buy it, when to sell. Does all the chart reading, all the analytics, everything you need to know for you. And I'm just following it. And we've got many members here who are doing the same. So if you want that, you can. Now, if you go through me, if you go directly with him, that's fine. If you'd like to go through me, you get a discount to the service. There is the invitation to join and become a member of mine. And on my Discord channel, you will see Ali Tizro's tips. You might want to, we might want to change that. Sensei's tips. Again, another thing we need to talk about Ali as well. We'll speak after this show in a few minutes, if you're available, that is. But if you want to go directly to Ali's server, you can through his website, and I've just given it to you on the screen. Zensei Crypto. We are following it. Ali is our crypto guy on the show. I'll give it to you 3 times at the bottom so you can see it. There you go, Sensei Crypto. So very, very nice indeed. Let's have a quick look at the overall position right now. There we go. So we're $103 off all-time high. That's all right. Let's look at the heat map. See what's happening there this morning. All right. The biggest gainers right now is Tesla, and Microsoft and Amazon are our biggest losers. So Microsoft might be worth looking at now. Yes, it's a company I want to buy more of. We've got the earnings coming up on April 25th. Did I miss that one? No, I've got that one. I was thinking, flipping out, I missed that one. Microsoft. Is that on my list? So, is that on my list? Microsoft. Let me have a look. Upcoming live streams. Microsoft. I don't remember putting that one in. Walmart, Lucid, Chevron, Amazon. Oh, I know why I couldn't. Sometimes they overlap. That's right. Yeah, they overlap. I remember now. Best YouTube channel in the world. Thank you, Mike. My favorite Bitcoin quote: "The best time to plant a tree was 10 years ago. The second best time to plant a tree is right now." That's right. That's very true. I agree with that. Thanks, Martin. I appreciate it. I try my best, put a lot of time and effort into it for all my members. I want to just say, because we talk about, Ali's thing as it's, just business, because Ali pays me, he sponsors the channel. He pays $99 to sponsor the channel. But this isn't just some sponsor thing. I just want to say this so we all realize that, yes, he pays me $99 to sponsor the channel. But this is my real money. I've invested my real money, and I don't even question it. When Ali says buy a crypto, I just buy it. But that is separate. That's great. Great. We're making money. The information is solid. I want to add one more thing. Having spoke to Ali off air a lot, and we're going to speak in a minute when we finish the show. I speak to Ali a lot, so I know him. I feel I know him more than I did a year ago. And he really cares about the members, right? He really wants what's best for me. He wants what's best for the channel, and he wants what's best for the members. Yes, he wants to make money, and he wants to see everybody make money, but he really cares. And particularly the $1,000 to $10,000 challenge is my challenge. It's very safe. The 7,000 to 100,000. Obviously, it's greater money. It's slightly more risky. You take higher risk to make bigger profits. But for me, the 1,000 to 10,000, he really wants to make sure that it's great for me. And he really cares. And I have called Ali late at night. And in the UK, it's very late at night, early in the morning. And he's up studying. He really feels responsible. Even though he's not a financial advisor. He's only doing his best. He really cares, and the last thing he wants to see is it go down. He really wants to see everyone do well, and he takes that to heart. He really does care about everybody here, not just making money, but he cares about people. He genuinely wants to help people. Genuinely wants to give to the charity events, and I've spoken to him, for quite a number of hours. Added together, and he really wants everyone to do well. So I want to say sincerely on air in front of everyone, thank you, Ali, for all your time and your thought and compassion for the channel and everybody here. Now, one day, guys, we're going to see crypto go down, and you will see me you'll see my crypto go down. More than likely, Ali will say, Martin, we need to sell today, and I'll sell and take profits. However, he might get it wrong. There might be suddenly something happen today that I can't sell quick enough or whatever. And my opinion will not change. If my crypto goes down today, that's fine. Ali doesn't know what's going to happen tomorrow. Nobody does. But all I do know is my money and my investments are in very safe hands when it comes to my crypto, when it comes to Ali, because he's showing as much compassion and concern for my money as is his own. And again, he wants everyone to do well. So, Ali, I really appreciate it. So thank you for everything that you do. IonQ is really doing well right now. It's not an entry point now, though. IonQ is doing very well. It's a $40 to $50 stock in 10 years' time. So it's still a good time to buy. I'm up 104% IonQ, but I can't chase it now. You already need to be in. I would have been in this stock. It's a great company. It's one of Amazon's biggest positions. It's quantum computers. It's the future. But you need a pullback. You need a pullback from it. Now, admittedly, it might surpass this $28. It could well do that. It more than likely will. But just be very, very careful jumping all over it. We've got the earnings season coming up. I am waiting. And if I miss it, I miss it. And the only reason why I'm out of it is because I couldn't afford to own everything. I had to clear for margin. Anyway, thank you, Martin. I appreciate it. I try my best. I know you do, mate. What's going on to the Cash App after the boss getting stabbed? Nothing's happening to Cash App. I want to say a lot of people are making up conspiracy stories around crypto. Some very silly, very immature, very irresponsible videos being made around crypto saying, isn't it weird? A lot of crypto people are disappearing and getting killed and stuff like that. It's ridiculous. It was a tragic situation with the boss of Cash App being stabbed. Awful people around. It's not a conspiracy. We've not got all crypto people being killed tomorrow. Like something going on. But, of course, people like to hook into that and make that a story. Wow, Ion Q. Yeah, we're watching it. Kind words, Mike. I try my best. Thanks, guys. I'm here for all the family. Yeah, we know. We know. Anyway. Let's go back to my positions and have a little look what we can do here. We're 9 o'clock. The markets are still dropping. I'm just 125 bucks away from my all-time high, so I'm fine. This is the morning dip, as we expect. The S&P, I'm not buying it. Not yet. I'm already in. I'm already in, but I'm waiting for a bigger dip. Virgin Galactic, waiting for a pullback to 3. In fact, I'm going to go to my Roth IRA and do that right now. So we bought in, this is Virgin Galactic, we bought 100 shares at 318, sold at 333. 320, yeah, 318, 333, yeah. I don't know exactly where, I don't feel it. I don't know exactly 3 what. I don't know. So I'm just going to set a buy for space. I'm going to do a limit order. This is just what do you want to call it? A flag order. I like to call it that. Just to remind me one's gone through so I don't miss anything else. 318. Yeah, that's about right. 318, 310, yeah, 38, right, 318. So a limit price, my average is 322. Okay, limit price. So 318. If it hits that, I'll just buy 50, just to bring my attention to the stock. And then what I will do is then I will look at where we are, assess it, try and get some news, and then try to buy even lower. But just 50 at 318. Okay, allowed to execute. Good for the day. Good till cancelled. Allowed to execute in the after hours and review the order. Yeah, there we go. Just gonna flipping heck. Every day now, Robinhood. You are bloody kidding me. Every day I've got to do this now. This is getting really bloody annoying. Really bloody annoying. Keep me logged in for 30 days. How many more times? Now I get logged out of everything again. Yes, I know. Marvellous. Flipping heck. This is absolutely driving me up the bloody wall. Robinhood. Man. There's no need for this. No need for this. Now everything's logged out. Getting really annoyed with this now. So now we are in a period of I'm sorry about this, guys. Nothing I can do. Keep me logged in for 30 days. It's not remembering it. It's not remembering it. It's asking me to do this nearly every flipping day now. And it's absolutely driving me up the bloody wall. So, you're just having to be put on a screen at the moment. I apologize. That what's happening is it's a security thing that Robinhood are doing, and it's a good thing. It's protecting my account. However, it's not conducive to a live show. All right, but they don't build their app around my live show. Let's be frank, right? Let's be frank about that. So let's put my and of course this for a few moments this slows down my system because I've got like 50 bloody windows, I don't know, all trying to load up at once. Anyway, it is what it is. I click the 30 days. I don't mind every 30 days, but not every bloody day. Yeah. What if you need to sell? Yeah. Well, yeah. Well, yeah, but Sensei, I can just do it on my phone. Because on my phone, I can load instantly, okay? You know, so it's only all my screens for you. I mean, don't forget, I've got buy and sell orders for everything. So and that's what you should have, right? But I also have my phone, so I can go into my phone and buy and sell manually, instantly anyway. It's only loading up like 50 pages, because I'm sharing with you on the screen. It's a completely different thing. All right, so it's not as bad monetarily. It's just annoying that I can't share it with you. That's all, which is the most important thing really. You're watching the show and I can't show you anything. So anyway, it is and of course it slows my windows down. But as you can see, we're pretty much back to normal now. It was a lot quicker today, which was good. Right. So we're back to normal. I don't know. Yeah, everything seems to be back in again now. That loaded incredibly quick today. So Virgin Orbit. And I apologize, Virgin Galactic. So did I set the buy order? I don't think I did I? So it's running up, which is nice. I've got my main position running up. Let me go to my brokerage position, my Roth IRA. Did I set the buy order? Did it go through? Probably not. Okay, 318. So buy, limit order, 318, 50 shares. That's all. Good for the day. Good till cancelled. Allowed to execute. Review order. Just 50. Now see if it goes through this time. There we go. Order placed. Now we're good. There you go. So just a small amount to buy back in as a scalp trade, a day trade. But I'm not going to get carried away with this. Time for another scalp hunt. I don't think I'll touch it yet. I've set it for 318. Virgin Orbit. Test the barcoding. Any reason? Let's have a little look. Let me check if it is barcoding. Let me refresh the screen. And I apologize for the lens flares if you get those. Lucid. Let me go over to this screen so you don't get lens flares. I can refresh these screens and protect you from that a minute. So let me leave you on there. Roth IRA is doing nicely. We're nearly $50 away from an all-time high again. What is doing well in my Roth? Let's have a look. J&J. Oh, J&J. Oh. And Amazon's getting an opportunity. Coinbase is up 8.61. Look at that. Coinbase has exploded. That's because of, obviously, Bitcoin breaking out. Amazon is getting cheaper again. That's good. Coca-Cola down, not enough yet. J&J, 0.44. That's a big push for J&J. It's 32% of my portfolio. I'm not trimming off it ever again. I've done it. I've only ever trimmed once. So Roth IRA, main portfolio, $50 away from an all-time high, $40 away from an all-time high. I'm refreshing the screens to save you from lens flares. I'll be right back in a second when I've done it with the main screen. Oh, hey, there's some opportunities here. Google's getting better. Still not jumping all over it. I'm already in. Looking good. There's some opportunities here. I might have a nibble at some Amazon in a moment. Bitcoin is at up 0.37. I'm going to share with you on the screen in a second once I've refreshed these screens because Robinhood logged me out and I don't want you to get all the white lens flares. IonQ is falling back now. There you go. Falling back now. That was a hell of a push this morning. Be very careful. It's a good company, but it's overvalued now. I'm going to buy it near the earnings. Remember, I only ever buy stocks when it goes down. I don't buy stocks when they start pumping up. I sell when they go up. I don't get excited by that. Rio Tinto is doing well. Commodity prices affected there. Okay, I think we're good. So let me come back to the main screen and here we go. So the overall portfolio is starting to come up. Let's look at these stocks. The S&P, still too expensive. Virgin Galactic, I've got my order at 318. I'm enjoying it where it is because at the end of the day, I'm only 11% down now. I'm not buying any more. 336 is plenty to make me all the money I need. My Roth IRA, I've taken profits from it. I'm only scalp trading on my Roth IRA. I wanted to go to 318 before I do it again. Not doing it yet. Virgin Orbit, I'm not buying that anymore. Rivian, buying at 9. It popped, but it's going back down again. Tesla. Now, to answer your question, Tesla barcoding. That is not barcoding. Tesla is not barcoding. That does not look like barcoding at all. Barcoding is very obvious when you see it. And if I ever see it, I will share it with you. That is not barcoding. All that's going on is it's going up and down. Barcoding is very, very tight, just like a barcode. If you ever saw a barcode, very, very tight and very, very precise, very square, bottomed off. It's like that. That isn't barcoding. That's just scalp trading in and out. Nothing weird about that at all. All in on Coinbase. Very nice. Congratulations, Elsky. Coinbase was my top tip at $32. Coinbase. If 0 basis point hike tomorrow, we can expect BTC to have a 3,000 candle. Here we go. Tomorrow, hang on a minute. Have I missed something? Tomorrow. Oh, no. Tomorrow is the FOMC minutes. It's only the minutes. It's not the FOMC. There's no Sensei. There's no rate hike decision tomorrow. That's the minutes. The FOMC. It's the minutes tomorrow. At 1 p.m. Why are you suggesting that? If 0 basis point hike tomorrow, no. You want about the minutes? What was said after the meeting? This isn't the FOMC report tomorrow. That doesn't come until I'm just scrolling through the FOMC. It's normally at 1 p.m. on a Wednesday. And not that week. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's coming on Wednesday, not that day. Thursday, Friday. No, it's not. We've not got it scheduled yet. Okay. Inflation rate tomorrow on my inflation rate. Oh, the inflation rate. Yes. The inflation rate. Yes, we have that tomorrow. If you read the newsletter, but Ali was talking about the FOMC presentation when Jerome Powell speaks and gives the new rate hike or rate decrease. Tomorrow is inflation rate at 7:30 in the morning. Core inflation as well. That's tomorrow, and I will share with you what we're talking about when it comes to that. The inflation rate, here we go, I'll put it on the screen so you can see what to expect for tomorrow's show. The inflation rate, core inflation, is at, previous is 5.5 and consensus 5.6. Inflation rate, slightly higher, and the forecast is 5.5. So that's where we are for tomorrow. Inflation rate year on year, 6%, expected 5.2. That's quite a drop. So we shall see. If we get that tomorrow, the inflation rate month on month, 0.4, expecting 0.2. So it could be good news tomorrow if we get that. But that's tomorrow morning. That is the inflation rate, not the FOMC report. That's all right, Ali. It's always good to just check each other because we all make mistakes. Everybody makes mistakes, and it's just worth checking each other, isn't it? It will be better. Yeah. Anyway, if you want a 25% off any of my merchandise right now, and you can have it customized as well for free. That sale ends in a couple of days' time. I think it's the 17th, I think it is. So there you go. We got a great audience watching this morning. We've got 50 watching, 33 likes. If you wouldn't help me out by smashing the like button, if we get to 50 likes, I will do one of my voices on the show. I will do one of my impressions of either Paul McCartney, Elton John, Michael Jackson, Bryan Adams, Frank Sinatra. You can choose which voice you want. Pavarotti, Nessun Dorma, or whatever you like. We got 33. Smash the like right now. We got 33 likes, 17 to go, and I'll do it. It needs to be good, because if it isn't, the Feds are stuck. That's correct. Let's have a little look. Tesla. Couldn't sell it. Right, we're going down again. S&P. Not cheap enough yet. Virgin Galactic. There we go. That's our pump. Possibly over for the day. We want to buy it back at 318. Virgin Orbit being delisted. Rivian. More videos coming out on that. Can you do Mr. Bean? No. There's your Mr. Bean. I don't know. Apple, holding my position. Amazon, right now. That is low on my general account, but on my Roth IRA, I'm still up on 7%. It's not cheap enough to buy yet. McDonald's, not cheap enough to buy yet. My brokerage position is it's not cheap enough, I'm afraid. I'm up on my Roth nearly 4%, and I'm also up on my brokerage account as well, 4%. So Coca-Cola is not cheap enough to buy anymore. J&J, sorry about the lens flares there. Nice try. I'm smashing the thumbs down. Sorry about that. They don't control the numbers, mate. It's independent. No, of course, the Fed don't control the inflation. The inflation is what it is. No one controls that. It's just facts. They control the rate hikes or the rate decreases, but no one controls the inflation report. That's just a fact. J&J, 0.38. On my Roth, I'm up 3%. Yep. It's not there yet. I've got buy orders anyway. I've got buy orders for everything, so I don't even need to concern about it. Microsoft, still too expensive. Walmart, Tesco, yeah, it's at the top of its cycle right now. Next year, Energy, Enphase Energy. On my Roth, still not cheap enough. No, up 6%. Bitcoin is broken, 30,198. Nice. Tizro popped up a little bit. We bought at 250, so we're up now. At least we should be on our Roth. Yes, we're up 0.53. There we go. We're up 0.53, 0.34. So we're making money again now on Tizro. Bought at 250. I will buy again at 205, and that's it. No more than that. That's fully allocated. Robinhood. SoFi. IonQ pulling back now. So some profit taking happening there. Still very expensive to buy right now. Remember, this company still lose money. So people are getting very ahead of themselves a little bit. The May 15th is the earnings, and we'll buy it then. Getting ahead of themselves. Canoe, Ford, nice run, 1.38. Rio Tinto, 3.48. Great dividends, but they've cut their dividends, so don't get all excited about their dividend payout. It's not a dividend king anymore. I'm smashing the thumb. U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics on the official government website of the USA. They always change what goes into inflation numbers. I don't trust them anyway. Inflation is much more than they say anyway. I'm not going to go any more deeper into the information than that. The inflation is what we see, what's reported. The markets react to that. I'm not going any deeper than that. We could go much deeper, and if you want that, there are channels that will spend their entire day discussing inflation and the figures that make up the inflation. That's not what we do on our channel. So all I look at is what's reported, how the markets react to it, and what the companies are doing about it, and the interest rates. Deeper than that, we don't go. Yes, they are independent. What does that even mean these days? Everyone's corrupted in some way. I'm not corrupted in any way. I tell you exactly as it is. Take it or leave it. Sensei Crypto, they do sometimes change the way the data is collated, but they always disclose the changes. Says 22. All right. So no selling opportunities today so far. No buying opportunities today so far, other than Tizro we got for 250. That was great. However, no selling opportunity yet. Is it a good? It's as good figure as anyone can come up with. I agree, and I'm prepared to run with that. If I go any deeper than that, I won't sleep at night. Won't have a clue what's going on. Right then, we're going to wrap up the show. Day trade of the day. I've got some special videos coming out about the state of the economy. IMF. I've got a special Virgin Orbit final video, potentially a final video, about an email that I've come across, and Virgin Galactic as well, what we're expecting this week. And so that's all good. That's coming out. I'm just finishing it. Sensei, are you free for a phone call right now? If you are, that would be great. Let me check. We're at 7,168. We are on target for 1 million views in 66 days. End of the year, we are on target for 10,000 subscribers. And I'm glad to say we are actually moving up in that target. It's getting closer. I will reveal that once we hit the 66 days, 1 million views. That will become our new target, which is very exciting because I can do charity events on this channel when I get there. Very excited because 10,000 subscribers, you can have the charitable super chats. My music channel, I need some help with my music channel, guys. We're stuck at 3,000 watch hours. Please do go to my music channel and pick a playlist. You can pick one of my albums if you want. Please go there. And if you wouldn't mind, go into my music channel. Hello, what's all this here? That's the music, that's the topic. That's the topic. I don't want the topic because I've got an album. When you are an official artist, you've got a music official artist page. Anyway, here's my channel. Go to one of the playlists, let it loop, and I'm trying to get to 4,000 watch hours so I can do live events again. Okay. Let's update you on the competition. We are giving away $1,000 value, $100 in cash at minimum, and it's going up, potentially going up, and also 15 hours of one-on-one training from one of our successful investors, Ed Nevius, who's done a training course, pay to learn. He now wants to give back to you and donate you $100 to invest as well. And every day we give you more chances to win. You can win with one ticket. So if you don't want to, get more tickets, you just want to buy one. It's like buying a lottery ticket. You can buy one ticket and win. Many people win the lottery, owning one ticket. That's all you need to buy. However, if you want to get a greater chance to win, you can. And today I released a new chance to win. At the bottom, there's now 22 ways to enter. At the bottom, I've released leave a comment on the Tizro videos worth 5 tickets. And if we scroll to the top, 548. Let's see if it's gone up. It's free to enter, free for all, 548. There we go. It's not gone up in the last hour. So there you go. If you've not yet checked that out, go and check that out. Every day there's benefits as well if you visit the website. Okay. Yes, I'm free. Good. Brilliant. I've got some things I want to talk to you about. Some really good ideas I think you're going to like. I'll call you straight after the show. Right, the portfolio is going up again. $60 away from an all-time high. There you go. $60 away from an all-time high. And I've now got some more shares of Tizro at an all-time low. So I'm happy with that. Trying to push up. Let's do day trader of the day. S&P, still too expensive. Virgin Galactic, trying to break out. Could be a flight today, not confirmed. Very 60% chance this week, I'd say. Rivian, I'll give it that. Tesla, anything above 195, 200, I will sell one. Lucid, it's running again. It's had a good little week, 7% this week. Apple, Amazon, had a little dip this morning, but on my Roth IRA, I'm up 7%. I don't want to buy any more at this stage. Unless I feel it will increase my average but my average is lower. So if I buy some Amazon right now, I can take some profit from it. I can buy some Amazon down at 2.44. It will increase my average, but what it will do is I'm up anyway, so my average is 92. So remember the FIFO rule. It will sell my 92 anyway, so it will sell those. So if I buy now some Amazon, I could scalp trade some Amazon. It's at the bottom of its, yeah, look at this, over the week. It tends to bounce off that. I don't mind owning it. I've just bought 2. It's low. It's increased my price of Amazon but I will sell because they're expensive. So what I will do is I just bought 2. Let me go back to Amazon a moment. Amazon, 2 shares at 99.74. Right, 99.74. Where does it hit? 90. What did I say it was? 99.74. So call it 100. $102. 102 is inside. 102. So I'll make $4. Yeah, because I've not made any money today yet. So 102. Yeah, okay. Sell and 102. I'll be making profit anyway. So sell Amazon, limit order 102. I'll only make $4. I'll make just over. I'll make $5, and I'm happy with that. I want to make $200 a day, so 102. Sell 2. Good for the day. Good till cancelled. Allow to execute. Yeah. Review the order. I want to sell back 2. Just make myself $5. It's not a huge amount of money, but it's a very expensive stock right now. So I want to take 2 back out of it. Review the order. Placing this trade may result in a day trade due to a pending Amazon order. Yes. I know what that is. Cancel pending order. It's got to cancel the pending order of 88. So I'm going to leave it because I want that. That could drop to 88. So cancel, dismiss. I'm going to leave that and watch the direction of it. And if it does go up first, then I will sell it 102, anywhere above there, and then I will cancel this order and then reapply it because I want to steer away from being pattern day trading again. So there we go. We'll just leave that there to remind me. Okay, catch you all tonight. Silver Surfer, see you in a bit. Day trader of the day. Microsoft is also down today, 2.33. Tesco. Tilray. So we bought at 250, so we're up on it now. Yeah, we're up 0.34. Okay. What about Bitcoin? Okay. That's there. IonQ falling back. There you go. Don't ever chase a pump. There's evidence of it right there. Canoes running away. 60 cents. Ford. Rio Tinto doing well. Meta. Okay. What's the general direction of the stocks? Roth IRA is doing well. Just bought Amazon. We're $70 away from an all-time high. Right, day trader of the day. Go to your main position. I've got to wrap up. There we go. I'm down 0.35. Here we go. Down 0.35%. Let me check Broadcast Lounge. I'm going to shut that down now. So if you want to call in, we've shut the Broadcast Lounge. You can't. I'll go up to Sensei. I'm going to call you in a second. Just checking all that. Okay, good. Is any flight from space soon? I'd say a 60, 70% this week from the reaction I've got when I've messaged my contacts at Virgin Galactic. Okay, post your scores now, please. Put a minute on the clock. Once the first person posts, I start sharing. Down 0.35. Fusion's up 4.9. Down 3.5. Up 0.12. Up 5.5. Sensei. That's a winning score right now. Give you 40 seconds. Virgin Galactic. Martin Vega, you are very welcome. Where are you from? We've got a new guest here, by the way. The Swiss Council of States has approved a 9 billion guarantee as part of the Credit Suisse bailout package. Thank you very much indeed. Good for the banks, of course. Time is running out. Martin Vega, how are you? Lovely to have you here. Where are you from? It looks like our winner today is Sensei. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up. Absolutely awesome. And let's give him the sound effects. There we go. Sensei, congratulations. You are our winner today. Awesome stuff. All right. I'm going to get off. I'm watching Amazon right now. Thank you for all those that are doing love in the channel. I'm from Valencia in Spain. Aha. Okay, here we go. From Spain today. All right, well, you know what's coming, guys, right? You know what's coming. You know what's coming. Welcome all our guests from around the world and especially in Spain today.
Dar la bienvenida a todos nuestros invitados de todo el mundo y especialmente en España hoy.
There you go. We got a guest here, Martin Vega. Welcome to you. Lovely to see you. I've scalped my position on Virgin Galactic. Said it got a 3 and it did. I sold it all, made a profit, and buying it back at 3. I've set my my first buy-in at 318 and then start buying it on the way down. My main brokerage account is I've got 336 heading back towards 4,000. I've had 4,000 before, sold it down. But anyway, to all our guests, great to join your channel. Thank you so much indeed. It's my pleasure. I'm live up to 10 hours a day. Here is my music channel. If you want to go and check out my music channel, I'd love if you could check it out. I'm the World Piano Man, and I've done the Virgin Galactic song. If you are a Virgin Galactic fan, you might appreciate that. And this is the Virgin Galactic studio, and we dress it all up, and it looks just like well, it is. We rank number 1 in the world on SPCE stock, Virgin Galactic stock, Virgin Orbit stock, and this is the space station. Welcome to you. Give you a wave. How are you? And we have all the colours and everything else for Virgin Galactic on special occasions. All right. Okay. Great to join you from Spain. Wonderful Spain. I played it in Barcelona and Madrid. Lovely to have you here. Hello, Martin. Welcome from Hollanda. Sid, let's do some Dutch this morning. Let's do some Dutch. Let's do some Dutch. Let's go Dutch on our bill. That's when you share the bill with somebody. All right. Here we go. Welcome to all our friends from around the world and in the Netherlands. Here we go.
Welkom aan al onze vrienden van over de hele wereld en in Nederland.
Welcome, welcome. Keaton S., how are you this morning? We're just getting ready to end the show. We was ending a few moments ago, but we are going to end in a couple of seconds. I'm just finishing off. I just bought some Amazon with the thought of taking a small trade. My average is 94. I'm going to buy at 88. So if you just tuned in, we're giving away our biggest ever cash prize. It's worth over $1,000. We're giving away $100 in cash and 15 hours of one-on-one training with our Ed Nevius, our investor, who was very successful. And he's paid for the courses, and he's going to now pass on the information that he has learned to you for free. One-on-one, 15 hours of training, all the technicals, all the charts, the candles, all that stuff. And he's going to give you $100 as well as a gift to invest to make money. So here is the link, martynlucas.com/giveaway. That's where all our giveaways are. And today we added another opportunity to win. Remember, you can win with just one single ticket, which is free to enter, free for all. There are 548 tickets now. And if you scroll to the bottom, I just added a new opportunity. Every day there's new ones. Leave a comment on the Tilray video. It's worth 5 tickets. If you've got any green like this, it means you've not done it. Until you get a blue tick, it means these are opportunities you can do again. All right? So 548. Let's refresh it. See if anybody has entered the competition in the last 10 minutes. I doubt it. There we go. That's only 10 minutes ago. But anyway, there you go. If you want to take part in that, IonQ going back down. Yeah, never buy a pump. Absolutely. It's very overpriced right now. I'm waiting for the earnings before I get back into this. We are covering all the earnings live on our show. If you go below the video, upcoming live streams. This is where we're live every day at the opening and closing bell. And our next earnings is J&J, Tesla, and Next Era Energy. 18th of April, 19th of April, and the 20th of April. We're covering all the earnings for all the main companies. We do them all live, and you won't miss anything live on my show. We aim to be the most honest, real channel on YouTube. That is our aim. Right, Amazon. I'm going to end the show right there. So thank you ever so much, everyone who joined in. I'm going to call Ali now, Sensei, and I'll be back for some very, very important videos on Virgin Orbit, Virgin Galactic, and the state of the economy coming out today, and other things. And other things, all right? Right, I'm going to get off. I think that is it. Have to go, guys. See you this evening. Yes. Right, let me bring on the credits. I think we might have something today. I don't know. Let's go to the end screen. Let's have a quick look. And let's roll the credits. Very quiet on Super Chats today. Yeah, nothing at all today. Very, very quiet today. No highlighted comments, no Super Chats, no new members, no new subscribers. There we go. Don't forget, you've often got free Super Chats to do to celebrate your memberships. There's no point rolling the credits right now. There isn't anything showing today. Have a nice day. Goodbye, says Sid. Let me clear the credits off the screen because there's nothing there. And I'm going to get out of here. I will see you all back this afternoon. Look out for the premieres and continue to take part in our competition. If you would support my music channel, I need 1,000 watch hours to go. There's my music channel. I've been concentrating on this channel too much that I haven't done enough videos, and it's dropped out of the it's dropping out of the monetized program, the partner program on YouTube, and without that I can't do fundraisers, I can't do any of those things. So if you would go to my music channel, pick a playlist and let it run, loop it, help me out. I desperately need to get to 4,000. I'm at 3,000 watch hours at the moment. Let's hope you're making a video about a particular flight today. All right, well, Pete, I will give you the information as it is. I won't make it up, I won't make it dramatic, I'll make it what it is, and that is what we need. Not people making up silly stories. Okay, Pete, I hope I can report that, of course. Thanks, Martin. See you all later. All right, guys. Thank you ever so much indeed. Everybody on TikTok, thanks for joining me. Do take part in our giveaway. It's our biggest ever. But that's it from me. Let me clear away the tickers. And big day for Bitcoin, of course, right now. We're seeing Bitcoin do well. Broke that 30,000. Nice to see. We're expecting it to go lower after this. And I'm not selling it though, not taking any profits, just keeping it. It's my moon bag, if you like, for the end of time, or at least when I decide to retire. That's it from me. Thank you very much indeed, as always. Take care of your money, take care of your crypto, take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye for now. See you back in a bit. Look out for those premieres.